Query successful. Try again without apps. Isn't it time your savings started working harder for you? If you bank with Regions, you might think you're limited to standard, low-rate savings accounts. But Regions Bank actually offers several smart ways to boost your interest earnings if you know where to look. We're going to break down the 3 best strategies to maximize the interest you get from your Regions accounts, focusing on where the best returns and bonuses are found. First up, the power of premium accounts. The highest interest rates are often locked behind relationship banking. Regions' premium money market account and their LifeGreen preferred checking account are key here. The premium money market typically offers more competitive interest rates than a standard savings account, especially for higher balances. The trick to maximizing it? Keep a large balance to waive the monthly fee, or pair it with the LifeGreen preferred checking account, which waives the fee for you and offers its own interest-earning potential. Essentially, the more of your banking you do with Regions, the better rate they reward you with. Second, let's talk about earning bonuses with LifeGreen savings. This is a clever way to earn beyond the standard interest rate. If you have a Regions checking account, you can open a LifeGreen savings account. This account comes with a fantastic perk, an annual savings bonus of up to $100, provided you set up automatic monthly transfers from your checking account. This is essentially free money paid out once a year for consistently saving. It leverages the power of automation and routine, turning a small, consistent transfer into an annual boost to your savings. Finally, for money you don't need access to right away, you must look into certificates of deposit, or CDs. Regions Bank often offers promotional CDs with significantly higher rates than their standard savings accounts, though you do have to lock up your money for a fixed term. Look for relationship rates on their CDs. If you already have a Regions checking account, you can often qualify for a higher CD rate than a non-customer. This is another clear benefit of centralizing your banking relationship. Consider a CD laddering strategy, where you divide your savings across multiple CDs with different maturity dates. This gives you regular access to a portion of your funds while keeping the bulk locked into higher interest rates. So, to summarize your action plan, investigate the premium money market and the LifeGreen preferred checking for high-tier interest, set up automated transfers to your LifeGreen savings for the annual bonus, and always check for promotional CD relationship rates for long-term savings. Doing these 3 things will help ensure you're getting the best possible returns from your money at Regions Bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.